Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to see about how to create deployments and what is the deployment concept in the Kubernetes, and how you can create deployment, how you can describe what all the deletes and certain commands related to the deployment part only. Okay, so basically let me tell you what is generally deployments and what is the works of the deployment helps into the creating this. So if I talk about the deployment is nothing but running behind ports are running behind the scene on the deployments parts. Okay, so basically deployment, if I talk, multiple ports are running on the top of the deployment part. So what are port? It is the smallest deployable entity and represents a logical collection of containers that share the same networks and store resources. So think of it as a group of closely related containers that are working together on a Kubernetes cluster, and this Kubernetes cluster is management by the deployment. If certain certain port goes down, it will automatically launch one more port for you. Like suppose this port goes down, it will automatically launch and create. You don't want to go with this manual part. So let's directly jump to the practical part and let's explore into this more with the practical purposes. Okay, so let me quickly show you with the deployments commands. Okay, so yeah, so this is I'm in my Kubernetes where I have let me quickly check with the kubectl versions also, which version I am using. So my Kubernetes has been installed and I am using with the kubectl. If you have not watched this previous video, please go, and I have showed you how to download the kubectl and how you can see the things. Okay, so now if you want to check what all the deployments are working, so there is a command to check the deployment, kubectl get deployments. Okay, so this is a command to check all the deployments, all the deployments we have running. Like this are my 4 to 5, 3 to 4 deployments are running. One Prometheus, like this is my own creator, and this is Kafka, and this Grafana. These all are the deployments which are running. So Kubernetes get deployments command display a list of deployment in your Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and deployment manages the deployment and the scaling of the application by defining desired replica set. You can change the replica set and update the strategies. These commands provide an overview of current deployment states, like what is the current deployment stage, and if you want to edit, you can just if suppose I just want to edit this deployment file of my D1. Okay, so same kubectl edit deployment and just provide deployment and just provide with this script name even whichever you want to file to be edited as a deployment file. So we have just written this command, so it will automatically pop up with so we have get this deployment file, and from here you can just extend replica set to 1, replica set to 2. Let me suppose replica set 2, I just want to extend it to 3, and all these are the configurations you can change according to it. And right now available replica sets are 1, but I just want to replica sets to 3. I'm just changing it out. Okay, and let me quickly change, and I have just saved, and it will show you the file has been edited. And if you again go and check the deployment file, there will be certain changes and it will scale up to certain replica set. Like see, we have before it was only 1, now we have scaled up to 3. Okay, if certain load increases, so it will scale up to 3, and if you want to increase 2 by 1 more, so you can go into the deployment file and you can edit according to it. So we have did this part. Now if you same kubectl get deploy is also same command, like some of you get confused like what is difference between deploy and deployment. Both are nothing, both are the alias. Like this, both of the commands retrieve a list of the deployments in your Kubernetes cluster, offering a snapshot of their current status, replicas, and other essential parts. Okay, so coming towards the next part, if you want to see let me give you just little bit concept of the deployment part. So we have seen about get deployments, edit deployments, and what is the main concept behind deployment. So deployment is like a smart manager for your apps in the Kubernetes, and it ensures your applications are always running. Okay, helps in roll out updates without downtime. Like suppose something goes down. Suppose like we are running with one of three containers. Something this container goes down, so it will automatically launch port for you. So let me show you quick demo how this works. Like kubectl get ports. Okay, as I hit enter, so you will get a list of all ports running. So yeah, all ports running, and this is my deployment. This all three ports are running. Okay, got it. So right now what I am doing, I am just going to delete this deployment and it will automatically launch. How I know? Just see with this quick demo, like copy, and this is launch 104. Let me do one thing. Let me just quickly this one. So it will automatically launch one more quick port for you. So let me quickly clear and same kubectl, and we are deleting our port and it will automatically launch for us. Let me do one thing. Let me show you with step by step accordingly. Okay, so we are going with the get ports. Will see the ports over there. Okay, this port we are going to delete, and I'm just quickly copying and kubectl delete port, and we are quickly deleting the port. So as we hit enter, so this port has been deleted, and if you again refresh it, it will automatically relaunch for us. Like this time 25 minutes ago we have launched, and suppose by chance some XYZ% is deleted this port by mistakenly, so you can again check within 30 seconds it's again to launch. So this is the magic and the working behind the deployment. It as the port goes down, so it automatically launch again another port for you. We don't want to create ports manually, and this is the concept behind the scene, behind the deployment part. Okay, and if you want to quickly create a certain deployment, so there's a command kubectl create deployment, and what all is the name you want my deployment or anything, and we are just providing with the image. Okay, let me quickly search for the particular image. Yeah, I'm just using this particular image. Just copy and just run over here. So as you enter, your new deployment will be created, and will check by the kubectl. Yeah, we have created, and if you want to check if the deployment is created or not, so there is a command kubectl get deployment. Yeah, just hit enter and you will get a deployment file. Okay, so like we can check my deployment has been created this, and you can scale according to it. How you just can edit this deployment file, and you can go inside and you can scale up according to it. So we have see how to get deployment, how to create deployment, and if you want to describe this deployment part, so let me quickly copy the name, and there's a command to describe it. And if you want to check inner part, describe deployment. So as we hit enter, it will show you the all the describe parts, and the it will describe you about that particular deployment part. So you can check. We have just downloaded right now on the 8th Feb this, and the replica set is 1, rolling updates, and if we have image, use this image, and this is the type. So all the describe it particular get into the more insight about it. So this all are about the replica set and the deployments parts. And if you want to delete some deployments, so let me quickly show you all the running deployments one again, so we can delete any one of them quickly. Okay, so I just need to delete this deployment which we have downloaded. So there is a command to delete kubectl delete deployment, and just paste with the name and just hit enter. So alright, so just hit enter. Your deployment will be deleted, and the deployment is deleted, and it is easy. And if you again go and check with the deployment parts, you will not find any deployment name according to it, because we have deleted a deployment. Again, let me quickly again delete one more, like my d1. So as we hit enter, so my again one more deployment has been deleted. Okay, so this was all about the deployment files, deployments and deployments commands. We'll see more about into the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.